What's going on? This is Enoch back with another useful Android applications video. So let's start off with this application called Holiday, which is a countdown application. And of course, you know what countdown apps are for, designed to track all your big moments, think holidays, birthdays, vacations, or whatever. But I love the aesthetic of this one. The app's design is awesome. I mean, I've seen a couple of countdown applications also with a decent modern app design, but this one stands out. It is fast, smooth. The animated GIFs also adds a fun touch. You can also add your own images to events you add for a more personal touch. Plus, you can also add notes to events. Another great standout feature for me is the ability to sync the application with your calendar. So every activity or event added in your calendar application will also show up here on the Countdown app. Plus, you can set recurring reminders and even add its widgets to your home screen, and these widgets are crazy. What really caught my attention is the ability to share countdown with friends and family. It actually takes events countdowns to a different level and makes the wait for those events feel exciting. Next is Memossage. This is designed to let you chat with yourself, and by chatting I mean it looks like a messaging application, but everything here is from you and by you. And here is how useful it is. Say you've got notes scattered everywhere on different applications, random sticky notes, even scribbles on the back of receipts. This could come in handy. Think of it like WhatsApp, but for your thoughts only. You write notes the same way you send text messages, quick, natural, and fluid. It doesn't bother you with complicated folder systems or anything like that. Just open the application, type, and it's saved. Another quick useful feature is the search button. In the case where you have several notes yet you want to find a specific one, just type a word and the search does the work. Plus, you can create personal note spaces with custom icons for, let's say, work or shopping lists, personal notes, or whatever. It is simple, clean and fast, and works offline, plus no ads. Next is called Imgsplitter, and this app is surprisingly handy for social media content creators or anyone who wants to add a little flair to their photo layout. In a case where you need to split an image into perfect sections for Instagram carousels or a creative project, you can make good use of this application since it does the job so well. You can decide the aspect ratio, how many vertical splits, and even how many divisions on the side. Just load your image, adjust a few sliders, and you are done. And what I really love is their precision. You control exactly how the image is sliced, which means no awkward crops or misaligned edges. It is one of those applications you don't realize you need until you actually use it. Next is Timerize, which serves as a digital hourglass. You set a timer, flip your phone upside down, and the screen fills up like sand flowing in an hourglass. It is such a simple concept, but incredibly satisfying to watch. You can pause the timer by flipping the device on the side or restart it by flipping it back over. And all these are just the default gesture or trigger settings. And what makes this application stand out isn't just the visual appeal, it's how it changes your perception of time. Seeing the screen fill up with color adds a physical element to a digital timer. Plus, it's customizable with different colors, notification settings, and trigger options. Great for productivity, meditation, cooking, or whatever you need a timer for. It is minimal, functional, and just feels good to use. Makes you want to come back to it every time. This app called Current Wallpaper is a lifesaver. If you've ever had that moment where you set the perfect wallpaper only to lose it after switching to another one, and you cannot find the original image anywhere, that is where this application comes in. It grabs and saves your current wallpaper with just a tap, even if it's on the lock screen. So yes, you can save a lock screen or home screen wallpaper onto your phone. It's super straightforward, hit retrieve now, and the image is saved in its original resolution. Listen, also if you use a paid wallpaper application which only lets you set wallpaper but not download unless you pay for premium, you can save the wallpaper using this Current Wallpaper application. And don't tell the developers I told you this. And the only downside is it doesn't get frequent updates, but it still functions as it's supposed to. Again, one of those applications you didn't know you needed until you really needed it. Consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoyed this video. I'll upload a part 2 of this in the next couple of uploads, so stay tuned for that. Also, leave a comment and let me know which of these applications on the list you are interested to try. I personally use almost all of them, especially Holiday and Current Wallpaper. Plus, Memossage is coming along pretty well. Anyways, leave a like on the video, and as always, thank you for watching.